Good morning, children. Last class we have to finish the bacteria, types of bacteria, next shape of the bacteria, classified about that flagellation types of bacteria. Next, how taking food. Bacteria get their food in many ways. Photosynthetic bacteria make their own food. For example, cyanobacteria is present in chlorophyll. Present so make their food own. Now, bacteria that live in hot environment. What is the means of hot environment? Hot environment எவ்வளோ கடினமான சூழ்நிலை அதை என்ன பண்ண முடியும் அதனால் வாழ முடியும். For example, using chemicals also see ammonia, hydrogen sulfide. To produce their food instead of utilizing energy from the sun. This process is called chemicosynthesis. What is the meaning of chemicosynthesis? See, bacteria that live in hot environment use chemicals. Which chemicals you have to use? Ammonia, hydrogen, sulfide. To produce their food instead of utilizing energy from the sun. This process is called chemicosynthesis. Are you different between photosynthesis and chemicosynthesis? Photosynthesis means is a present of chlorophyll is present either prepare their own food from sun. That is a photosynthesis. See here chemical have to use. So it is called chemicosynthesis. Some bacteria exhibit symbiotic relationship. E. coli, see, E. coli lives in the intestine of man. Some bacteria take their food from the intestine of man. Intestine means what? நம்மளுடைய குடலெல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, குடலில் அதை என்ன பண்ணி ஈக்குவலை ப்ரெசென்ட்டாக இருக்கும். அதனுடைய உணவை இங்கேருந்து எடுத்துக்கோ, நம்ம இன்டெஸ்டைன்லேருந்து அதனுடைய உணவை எடுத்துக்கோ. தட் இஸ் ஒன்லி விச் எக்ஸாம்பிள் E. coli. Bacteria reproduced by fission. Bacteria reproduced. Bacteria also reproduced. See, and இப்போ நம்ம சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, கொரோனா வைரஸ் இஸ் multiple, so much of multiples virus, bacteria are multiple in so much, 1,000 times have to produce it. Bacteria reproduce by fission, binary and multiple fission. This is like a fission, like you have to study about studied from this higher classes, I think 9th or 10th. See, activity C. Take 1 or 2 drops of buttermilk on a slide and spread it. Take a buttermilk, okay, spread in slide. Slide means you know that mirror glass like rod like, that is. Heat and slide slightly on the lamp. Okay, heat the slide slightly on the lamp 3 or 4 seconds. Add a few drops of crystal violet. Leave it for 30 to 60 seconds and wash the slide gently with water. Observe the slide under the compound microscope. We have to do the this and all lab activity. See, next fungi, which I'll have to finish now. Microorganisms study 5 categories: virus, bacteria. Now discuss about fungi. Fungi are group eukaryotic organism that lack of chlorophyll. இதில் என்ன இருக்காது, chlorophyll present ஆகிருக்காது. They grow in dark environments. They may be unicellular. Example yeast. What is the meaning of unicellular? Uni means single. Uni means what? A single cell. Okay, why it is a present only single cell. Single cell have to present, but all the work, this is single cell do the all the works. For example, eating, digestive, reproduce, all the works doing that only one cell. That is called unicellular or multicellular. It's present in multicellular organism also there. Unicellular also present there. Multicellular means example penicillium. Okay, single unicellular present is yeast example. Multicellular example penicillium. Okay, multicellular for example human beings also. Multicellular, multi mean enadhu nariya cell present ஆயிருக்கும், for nariya cell present ஆயிருக்கும். That is multicellular present. They are found in all kinds of habitats. Okay, they are include under kingdom fungi. This the in under kingdom fungi. The study of fungi is called a mycology. What is that? Mycology. The study of fungi is called a mycology. Some fungi are macroscopic. Some fungi are macroscopic. See, listen. Are you remember bacteria and virus? You can't see naked eye. Only under the scene microscopic animal. But fungi, some fungi are macroscopic. Macroscopic என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? கொஞ்சம் நம்மளால நார்மலா கண்ணால பார்க்க முடியும். That is only macroscopic. For example, mushroom. Mushroom is under fungi group. There are around 70,000 species of fungi living in the world. You know that fungi group of eukaryotic organism that lack chlorophyll. Okay, next cell structure. Unicellular fungi. Uni single cell. For example, yeast. Yeast are found in freely in the atmosphere. Yeast grows in all kinds of media containing sugar. Yeast means sugar. You have to present in that sugar. The cell is ovoid shaped, containing cells. This is structure of cell. What all have to present? Cell membrane, vacuole, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm you have to drop like it is a gel like that is only floating in the inside the cell. That is cytoplasm. Next, nucleus. Nucleus present but nuclei not present, so only eukaryotic. Okay, nucleus present but உட்கரு உள்ள என்ன இல்ல, உட்கரு இல்ல, that is eukaryotic. Next, food granule. This is structure of the yeast. Now the cell is ovoid in shape, containing cells, cell wall and nucleus. The cytoplasm is granular and he was vacuoles, organelles, glycogen and oil globules. Yeast aids fermentation with the help of the enzyme zymase. Yeast respire anaerobically. Yeast produced by budding. Anaerobic means it it's without oxygen. You know, anaerobic means what? Aerobic means require oxygen. Anaerobic means does not requires oxygen. So yeast respire anaerobic. Anaerobic means without oxygen. Oxygen means O2. Okay, without oxygen. Okay, children, what is the structure of fungi? What is the meaning of fungi? What is a mycology? The study of fungi is called a mycology. Then some fungi are macroscopic. There are around 70,000 species in that world. This is structure of the yeast. Unicellular. Uni means single cell. Uni means what? Single cell. Next class we have to discuss about multicellular fungi.